Well, here we are. Spring has sprung. The tulips are going to start peeking out soon, and so are the scammers. Just when you're thinking it's finally time to fix that leaky roof, patch up the driveway, or tackle that foundation crack from 1983, someone shows up at your door with a great deal and a clipboard full of bad intentions. Now, this isn't just friendly advice, although it is that. This episode is based on a public safety alert recently put out by the Hamilton Police Department. So yeah, it's a real issue and it's hitting close to home, literally, right here in Hamilton. So let's walk through how to spot these scams and how to keep your home and your wallet safe from them. Number one, the classic door knock. You're enjoying your coffee Saturday morning, minding your own business, and here comes someone at your door saying they just happened to be in the area and noticed a problem with your house. And I just happened to find a winning lotto ticket in my sock drawer. Neither of these are very likely. Number two, a price that's too good to be true. They offer to fix the issue right away for less than you would have ever expected. Honestly, it's cheaper than breakfast at Mel's Diner in 1985. But once they start, it's a different story. Number three, the "oh no, we found something" trick. Suddenly there's a serious new problem. Surprise! The price triples, and when you know it, they need full payment right now before they can continue. Four, names that don't match. The company name on the contract doesn't match the one they want payment sent to, or the name on the truck, or the name on the workers' shirts. It's a paper trail that leads absolutely nowhere, which is where they want it to go. Number five, pressure and empty threats. They start tossing around threats about city inspectors and condemning your house. Look, if your porch light's out, that's not exactly a code red. And let's be clear, no legit contractor talks like that. If something's truly a safety issue, they'll tell you to call the city, not try to scare you into writing a check. Number six, mysterious vehicles and workers. Forget the shirts and names. There's no company branding, there's no ID. Sometimes the truck is parked 3 blocks away. You'd think they were trying to stay undercover. That is a sign this is not legit. Seven, bad work and fake warranties. If they do any work, it's rushed, sloppy, and the warranty they gave you might as well be printed on toilet paper. So here's how to keep the scammers at bay. Take your time. Don't rush any decisions, especially when someone's pitching a deal at your front door. Thank them very much, send them on their way, get a couple more quotes, talk it over with family, and take a breath before signing anything. Don't fall for flashy ads. These days, anyone can whip up a slick website or a fancy-looking flyer, even realtors. This doesn't mean they're legit. Check reviews, ask for references. Google is your friend here. If it sounds too good to be true, let's be honest, if someone says they can start work today for half the cost of everyone else, that's not good fortune. That is a red flag. Never pay anything up front. Now, a reasonable deposit is fine. Think like 10%. The rest should be tied to real progress. No shortcuts, no mystery fees. Look, the truth is, these scammers are getting creative, but you can always stay ahead of them, outsmart them with a little know-how and a lot of caution. Again, this info comes straight from a public safety alert issued by the Hamilton Police, and I've linked everything you need to know in the show notes below. So, for instance, if you've been targeted, or if something just doesn't sit right with you, please report it. Let's get the scammers out of the system. You'll find a link to file a report online, plus a non-emergency number you can call right below. I've also included a link to more info on your rights as a homeowner, straight from the province's website, because knowledge is power, especially when someone's trying to sell you life-saving, urgent driveway repairs. All right, that's it from me for now. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. I hope this helps you feel a little more confident the next time someone knocks on your door with a deal interrupting you on a Saturday morning. So take care of your homes, take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video.